ओके तो कुछ भी ठीक है राइट। यहाँ से स्वीप किया मार्केट, दैट्स फाइन। यहाँ से मार्केट स्वीप किया है, कहाँ जा सकता है, नीचे की साइड। मार्केट यहाँ से जा सकता है 15 मिनट। लेट्स गो ना, लेट्स गो 15 मिनट। ओवरऑल अभी 30 मिनट में टच किया नहीं, 1 घंटे में टच किया, ठीक है टच किया, रिजेक्ट किया है, बट स्टिल मार्केट नहीं हो रहा। तो इसका अगर देखोगे इस लेवल से तो दिया यहाँ पे आया है, या फिर ऊपर के साइड से, ये दोनों लेवल से सेल कर सकते हो। ठीक ही है, मतलब मिला भी था यहाँ पे सेल। ओ मेरे पास इंडिकेटर नहीं, डैम, वेट लेट मी चेक। ठीक है कोई बात नहीं। कितना परसेंट है ये? 0.3% एंड समथिंग। यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा बना सकते हो 36 पिप्स का। लेट्स सी क्या किया जाए, हाँ बनेगा कि नहीं। यहाँ से बनाया जा सकता है। हमको इंडिकेटर चाहिए, वेट लेट मी ऐड द इंडिकेटर भाई। मेरे को मेरा इंडिकेटर चाहिए, बिना इंडिकेटर के नहीं हो पाएगा। एंट्री एटलीस्ट इंडिकेटर से दिया जाएगा राइट, बिना इंडिकेटर के कैसे होगा। हमको नहीं लगा था भाई जरूरत पड़ेगा, या फिर तुरंत में आ जाएगा एंट्री। इंडिकेटर इंडिकेटर, वेट वेट कहाँ गया, किधर हम दे दिए थे, ये रहा मेरा। अरे यार कहाँ, ओ अच्छा ये रहा भाई। वो उड़ गया था, मेरे को लगा नहीं क्या था। वॉट एवर, लेट्स सी। ओके यहाँ पे एंट्री था तो ऑलमोस्ट दे चुका था तुम्हारा 26/26, तो इट्स डन। लास्ट ये रहेगा, एक यहाँ से पकड़ा जाएगा। हटाओ भाई। तो क्या करेंगे, लास्ट यहाँ से एक एंट्री उठाते हैं। एक यहाँ से एंट्री उठाएंगे क्योंकि मार्केट बाहर ले चुका है, इसका स्वीप कर चुका है। तो मार्केट अगर मोस्ट पॉसिबली नीचे की साइड चाहिए, तो अगर मार्केट यहाँ से ऊपर की साइड टूटा, जो टूट सकता है, वाई नॉट, डिपेंड्स। बट अभी उसके ऊपर क्लोजिंग होगा देन ओनली हो सकता है राइट। तो इंतजार करने था, देन एस ऊपर लगाते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है। लेट्स सी। एंड तब तक भाई देखो जो क्या सीन है यहाँ से। ठीक है, ठीक है। सेल के साइड रेड कलर का ऐसा चाहिए तो सेल हो जाएगा ऑलमोस्ट। कितना भी उसका अगर बनेगा, ओह फक, इट्स अ बिग वन मैन, इट्स अ बिग वन। तो यहाँ से अगर बनेगा भी तो कितना बनेगा, 200-300 पिप का बनेगा राइट। 220-30 पिप, दो एंट्री लेंगे। हाँ देखते क्या होता है। 20 या 30 पिप का बनेगा, तो 20-30 पिप में बनेगा। सेल खोला जाए तुम्हारा $3, 30 पिप, $24 के आसपास खुलेगा राइट। तो मानो कैलकुलेटर करेंगे हम लोग, 1% ऑफ 800 हो जाएगा तुम्हारा $8। 8 नहीं, तो हम लोग खोल देते हैं इसको, हम लोग 5 या 4 ऐसा लगेगा, आजकल बड़ा आता है ना। ठीक है, तो यहाँ से खोल सकते हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। SLC के ऊपर रखेंगे हम लोग, क्लोजिंग होगा ना तब देखते हैं। डाउन कैंडल के साथ ग्री, मतलब रेड चाहिए बस, और कुछ नहीं चाहिए। टैप डोजी 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 भी नहीं एंट्री करना मेरे को। डोजी बेकार एंट्री होता है, बहुत बार ट्राई किया, डोजी बेकार है। हाँ मोस्ट पॉसिबली देखो यहाँ पे स्वीप देखो, मेरे को क्या है ना, स्वीप इसके नीचे किया नहीं। ओके इसके नीचे मतलब ये ठीक है, यहाँ पे निकाल चुका है। लेकिन इसका ये बचा हुआ है, ये इसके नीचे स्वीप किया नहीं मार्केट। ये स्वीप किया है, कुछ किसी में टैप नहीं किया एक्चुअली, देखोगे तो बस ये 15 मिनट का लेवल टैप था। तो 15 मिनट का लेवल टैप में यार फिर तो दिक्कत हो जाएगा। 15 मिनट में देखो कैसा दिख रहा है, अगर ये क्लोज होगा तो दिक्कत है, फिर ऊपर के शेयर मार्केट चला जाएगा, फिर दिक्कत हो जाएगा। देखते हैं क्या होता है। रेड शेयर क्लोज होता है तो एक ही तो चाहिए बस, इसके नीचे ये वाला अभी भी नहीं बना, देखा ये नहीं बन रहा है, यहाँ पे नहीं बन रहा है, ठीक है ना। अब ये देखो क्या सीन है, अभी भी पॉसिबल है, ठीक ही है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। यहाँ से मार्केट निकाला, इट्स लाइक ये स्वीप किया, बट अगेन यहाँ तक का तो अब नया कैंडल बन जाएगा 1 घंटा में तुम्हारा, तो यहाँ से स्वीप कर सकता है, विच इज़ बैड। यूकेडी जब तक निकाले बिना नहीं जाएगा अभी तक के लिए। 15 मिनट में मार्केट यहाँ से टच किया है, रिजेक्ट कर रहा है, इस पर पूरा यहाँ से ये पड़ रहा है कि जाएगा कि नहीं जाएगा, वो दिक्कत है। बस देखो क्या होता है। ये कैंडल सब तो हम लोग नहीं लेते हैं, तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, फिर एक ही कैंडल पे एंट्री लेंगे, जो भी रहेगा बनेगा। बाकी तो सही है। 30 मिनट का क्या हुआ, 30 मिनट का, 30 मिनट का ऊपर से आया, राइट, ऊपर से ही आया 30 मिनट भी, तो यही कैंडल है जो भी है, तो यही कैंडल है। 30 मिनट में ब्रेक कर दिया ऊपर की साइड, डैम। 4 घंटा का था, नहीं 4 घंटा का भी लेवल नहीं था, तो नीचे आएगा कि नहीं, ये सस्पिशियस है भाई, ठीक है ना। देखो क्योंकि ये निकाला, अब मार्केट को अगर कायदे से चलोगे तो भाई मार्केट को ये इसका लोन निकालना चाहिए था, विच इट डिडंट, एंड देन जस्ट ऊपर के साइड चला गया, तो दिक्कत है। बट स्टिल अगर मेरे से पूछोगे कि ये देखो ये ऊपर के साइड भाई अगर स्वीप ही कर रहा है, ठीक है ना, ये स्वीप अगर इसके बाहर ही क्लोज है, फिर तो कोई मतलब नहीं बनता भाई, फिर तो डायरेक्शन ही चेंज करना पड़ जाएगा, फिर तो 30 मिनट्स के अकॉर्डिंग लेना स्टार्ट करो। फिर कहाँ पे कुछ है 30 मिनट्स के लिए, कुछ भी नहीं है, तो फिर तो मार्केट फट ही जाएगा, फिर कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, अभी भूल जाओ। आई मीन लाइक 1 घंटा में 15 मिनट में सही तो है, लेकिन ये स्वीप कर रहा है, विच इज़ बैड, क्योंकि अगर 15 मिनट में अगर ये स्वीप कर नहीं रहा, सो इट्स लाइक दिस 15 मिनट्स, राइट। So it took the slow out and then it reversed, and which is why it is still holding, right? Let's see क्या होता है फिर। बिना स्वीप किए, मतलब ये तो शुरू से होल्ड था ही, सुबह से लेके बैठ के 15 मिनट पे भाई, डायरेक्शन चेंज तो हो नहीं सकता, तो ये तो वो था और कुछ नहीं। जैसे 4 घंटा में जाओगे, 4 घंटा में ओवरऑल मार्केट डायरेक्शन बुलिश था, बुलिश में जाकर मार्केट यहाँ से 30 मिनट्स में 40 मिनट्स में 30 मिनट्स में ब्रेक किया, बट 1 घंटा में बाई के साइड था तो फट गया मार्केट ऊपर के साइड, एंड देन 30 मिनट फिर से यहाँ से कंटिन्यू किया, ये लिया, एंड देन क्या हो रहा है अभी नहीं पता, क्योंकि अगर देखोगे 1 घंटा पे देखोगे तो मार्केट ये लिया, मार्केट ये ब्रेक किया फिर नीचे की साइड, एंड देन मार्केट फिर से 1 घंटा का लेवल ये जो ब्रेक करेगा, ये 6 मिनट, ये वाला 6 मिनट के बाद आप लोग एंट्री कर सकते हो, ओके। मोस्ट लाइकली ये 6 मिनट बाद, क्योंकि उसके बाद ही एंट्री मिलेगा, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं, उससे पहले लेके एंट्री क्या ही कर लोगे, गलत एंट्री लेके। ता 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 रिजेक्ट किया, which is all good. इसके बाद तुम्हारा यहाँ से तक में 5 मिनट में 30 मिनट ले रहे हैं, इसका ही फायदा है। 15 मिनट पे लेंगे हम लोग एंड 15 मिनट पे यहाँ से बुनेगा। पंद्रह 5 मिनट पे तो बहुत सारा मल्टीपल लेवल जाएगा, यही ठीक है, यही से बाई कर लेंगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। 15 मिनट्स पे ही ले लेंगे क्योंकि स्वीप किया, ये सब लेवल्स है भाई, लेवल्स जस्ट YCLCs, दैट्स इट। उससे ज़्यादा चाहिए भी नहीं ट्रेडिंग है भाई। YCLC दैट्स इट। डायरेक्शन बायस ऊपर के साइड है, H1 में क्यों नहीं, तुम बोलोगे ओ भाई ये तो यहाँ पे स्वीप किया, राइट, ये तो यहाँ पे स्वीप किया। स्वीप करने के बाद इसको ऊपर जाना चाहिए, नीचे जाना चाहिए, नीचे यहाँ पे करेक्ट, नीचे जाना चाहिए, बहुत बढ़िया। लेकिन भाई जाना नहीं ना चाह रहा मार्केट, नीचे के साइड जाना रहता तो भाई स्वीप करता है अंदर नीचे। ऐसा बहुत रेयर होता है, इन द सेंस दिखाते तुमको कभी और अगर बॉडी क्लोज होने के बाद भी अगर ऊपर के साइड निकलता है ना तो दिक्कत बहुत होता है। जैसे ये सब ये क्लोज होने के बाद फिर ऊपर गया, बहुत टाइम लगता है। ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होगा या फिर नहीं जाए भाई, यहाँ पे फंसा है, हो सकता है हम लोग को फंसा दे, कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है, हो सकता है हम लोग यहाँ पे एंटर करके फंसा दे। देखते हैं जिस टाइप का कैंडल बनेगा, मोस्ट लाइकली एशियन का पूछोगे तो एशिया सेशन ये पूरा यहाँ तक है, इसको निकाल लेता तो फिर बोलते, लेकिन अभी इसी पे फोकस कर रहे हैं हम लोग, और ये ब्रेक करेगा ही करेगा। समझे? ये देखो फट रहा है ना, ऊपर के साइड निकाल दिया फिर दिक्कत है। ये देखो अकॉर्डिंग टू 15 मिनट्स, ओके, हम अकॉर्डिंग टू 15 मिनट्स खेल रहे हैं, या फिर बोल सकते हो क्योंकि देखोगे, देखो बता रहे हैं जब ये स्वीप किया राइट, इसका हाई, जब इसका हाई स्वीप किया राइट, तो 1 घंटा का था जो भी है। फिर हम लोग चलते हैं लोअर टाइम फ्रेम में। लोअर टाइम फ्रेम मार्केट यहाँ से मार्केट तुम्हारा यहाँ से आके पूरा नीचे के साइड यहाँ टैप करके जो भी है नीचे के साइड गिरा, ठीक है। उसके बाद जब गिरा था तो ये तुम्हारा इसमें नीचे के साइड से कोई ये नहीं था तुम्हारा M15 में तुम्हारा नीचे के साइड से कुछ भी नहीं था। M15 में आया, टच किया, यहाँ पे स्वीप, यहाँ पे ये था स्विंग जिसको निकाल सकता था, और ये था स्विंग। अब ये स्विंग निकाल के एंड देन इट वेंट अप, राइट। तो भाई जब स्विंग निकाल के ऐसा ऊपर के साइड जाता है ना, तो मोस्ट लाइकली ऊपर के साइड ही कंटिन्यू करेगा। एंड देन ये क्लाइंट क्लोज हो गया, ले सकते हैं एंट्री, अब जिधर भी मिलेगा एंट्री ले सकते हो तुम, मतलब बाई के साइड ही का ऑब्वियसली। हमको ये नहीं चाहिए, हमको अगर ये पहले निकाल देगा ना तो फिर हाई, ये फिर रिस्की बन जाएगा, ये ट्रेड्स फिर रिस्की पूरा बन जाएगा। तो मेरे को चाहिए कि भाई मार्केट ये पहले हमको एक बार एंट्री दे दे एंड देन ऊपर के साइड चला जाए, तो एक तरह से लिक्विडिटी टारगेट कर लेंगे हम लोग। अभी नहीं कर सकते, अभी कर ही नहीं सकते, इसमें चांस ही नहीं है लिक्विडिटी टारगेट करने का। ओके, सो that's the whole point, man. That's the whole damn fucking point. Ki we cannot target on. Okay, and then if it takes this high, it's gonna be risky. This is the problem. फिर तो सेल ही लेना पड़ेगा, और क्या करोगे, निकालेगा लगता है। ये इक्वलाइज बना के गिर जाए एक बार, मज़ा आ जाएगा भाई। इक्वलाइज बना के देखते थोड़ा देर और, अगर 15-20 मिनट मिला एंट्री तो ठीक है, या फिर अगर नीचे के साइड आके यहाँ से एंट्री देगा तो हमको तो यही चाहिए, हमको चाहिए भाई ये इक्वलाइज बना देना भाई, बहुत मज़ा आ जाएगा भाई, इक्वलाइज बना दे देन इट जस्ट ड्रॉप्स, नॉट इवन इक्वलाइज, बस जस्ट वहाँ से गिर जाए और कुछ नहीं, ज़रूरी नहीं, नॉट नेसेसरली दैट इट्स गोना टेक द हाइज, बट दैट्स फाइन। ओके तो मार्केट वापस से यहाँ पे आता है तो एंट्री लेते हैं हम लोग थोड़ा इस स्वीप इसको उड़ाया ना राइट इधर पे यहाँ पे आएगा तो एंट्री लेते हैं छोटा सा एंट्री लेंगे इट्स लाइक नॉर्मल ही क्वांटिटी रखते हैं 1% रिस्क 1% रिस्क लेते हैं 0.5% रिस्क ले सकते हैं वहाँ पे लेट्स सी क्या होता है अगर वहाँ पे आएगा तो देखते हैं अभी नहीं देखा जाए अगर आता है तो दैट इज़ अगर नहीं आया तो यहाँ पे देखो ये सीन है ना बता दे तुम लोग को स्वीप किया बहुत बढ़िया यहाँ से भाई अगर ये लेना तो बहुत बढ़िया चलेगा लंबा टीपी मिलेगा लेकिन द प्रॉब्लम इज राइट whole fucking problem in here right now is that it's not necessarily see this is the problem but let's see we'll open like around 0.1 so it's fine 0.1 0.5 let's see यहाँ से M15 right let's go M15 nothing M30 okay M30 यहाँ पे था अरे डिलीट कैसे हो गया ये कब डिलीट हो गया ये वाला लेवल कोई बात नहीं आइदर फिब लगा के यू कैन जस्ट फकिंग प्लेस तो ठीक है यहाँ से नीचे इधर वाला ही लेते हैं हम लोग इधर वाला ज़्यादा आसान रहेगा एंड देन एज सुन एज इट टैप्स वी जस्ट एंटर ओके मतलब we'll wait for the confirmation then enter not like just tap and then enter no, that's not what we fucking do man okay we'll target we can target here the new highs or we'll target like maybe around 100-200 pips something like that let's see क्या होता है we won't be booking shit in this case and we'll just target whatever it is fine I'm not saying like we'll be making every day every trades but some trades we might make so let's see ऊपर के साइड आएगा अभी भी 50% एक बार टच कर दिया ना इक्वी टच करने के बाद वी डोंट केयर ओके इक्वी टच करने के बाद वी डोंट केयर कि क्या हो रहा है उसके बाद तो फिर भाई चांस ही नहीं है मार्केट को वापस देने का जैसे अभी बचा हुआ है तो ऊपर के साइड आ सकता है तो जस्ट सेल यहाँ से कितना पिप का बन जाएगा एस एल 60-70 पिप का एस एल बन जाएगा विच इज़ अ ह्यूज 60-70 पिप्स का बनता है ठीक है तो हाफ क्वांटिटी ले सकते हैं ठीक है हाफ क्वांटिटी मतलब भाई वो मैनेज करके रहे हाफ क्वांटिटी नहीं क्वांटिटी सेम ही है 30 पिप्स का एस एल बन रहा था यहाँ पे बनेगा तुम्हारा ऑलमोस्ट नॉट ऑलमोस्ट बट लाइक 70 पिप्स तो लॉट साइज कैलकुलेट करके ऑलमोस्ट वहीं पे ले सकते हो एंट्री वहाँ से इट्स फाइन इट्स नॉट दैट बैड ओके इट्स नॉट दैट बैड अगर एंट्री मिला तुम लोग को तो दैट इज ठीक है यहाँ पे टच करेगा जस्ट एंटर एंड यहाँ पे कंफर्मेशन का इंतज़ार करेंगे क्योंकि ये स्वीप किया है तो वी कैन जस्ट एंटर कोई भी जगह से ऐसे ऊपर से भी तुम लोग एंट्री कर सकते हो पूरा एरिया ही रहेगा लेकिन बैठेगा नहीं ना टीपी बैठेगा नहीं अगर मानो यहाँ से आया यहाँ से ले भी लोगे ना बैठेगा नहीं टीपी टू बी ऑनेस्ट ठीक है 900 तो बन रहा है 900 950 पिप्स उसका देखते क्या होता है मोस्ट लाइकली अगर ऊपर नीचे के साइड पे वाले ऊपर आया तब देख बढ़िया रहेगा लेकिन वो तो मार्केट पे डिपेंड करता है मेरे भाई वो तो मार्केट पे राइट वी कैन नॉट जस्ट से कि ओ इट्स गोना कम जस्ट एंटर ना इट्स फक्ड अप इट्स फकिंग फक्ड अप ओके इट्स फक्ड अप you can't do shit to be honest and I mean yes let's see क्या होता है 33 minutes for H1 can close and then यहाँ पे आएगा देखेंगे इस पे क्या है पॉसिबली एंट्री दे देगा टच तो कर दे भाई एक बार उसके बाद विल डिसाइड क्या करना है नहीं करना है टच तो कर दे भाई मेरे टच तो कर दे मेरे को टच चाहिए भाई वहाँ पे बस और कुछ नहीं उसके बाद देखा जाएगा ना बाद में क्या है क्या नहीं टच कर दिया ठीक है ऐसा इसी के नीचे रहेगा अगर अब कैंडल का बस भाई चेंज कर दो भाई कैंडल पर लट दो एंट्री दे दो कुछ भी दे दो बस वही रहेगा ठीक ही है स्वीप किया आया 50% पे अभी अगर इसको जाना रहेगा तो यहीं से जाएगा नहीं तो ये स्वीप करके जाएगा तो स्वीप मतलब और नीचे जाएगा बट डिपेंड्स ओके डिपेंड्स तो यहाँ पे जो भी अगर कैंडल बनता है तो टीपी बहुत अच्छा मिल सकता है हम लोग को यहाँ से यहाँ तक का टीपी मतलब ऑलमोस्ट 1500 पिप्स नो फकिंग बुकिंग बिटवीन ओके सो देखते हैं क्या होता है ये सही कैंडल है एसएल इसी के नीचे रखेंगे हम लोग अगर रखेंगे भी तो इसके नीचे ओके, इस SL इसके नीचे 13 पिप का 10 पिप का बन रहा है भाई, तो बढ़िया बड़ा खोल सकते हैं इसमें हम लोग। लॉट साइज कैलकुलेट कर लो ओके, जो भी जैसे भी रहेगा, या तो तुम कैलकुलेटर यूज़ कर सकते हो, जो जैसे तुम लोग कैलकुलेट करते हो वैसे कर सकते हो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, सबका अपना अपना तरीका होता है कैलकुलेट करने का ओके। एंट्री करना जैसे ही एज सुन एज इट ओके, एंटर एज सुन एज we get entry candle, just rejection okay, it's not even that a big candle, just a rejection candle and that's it, we enter, we don't really care। oh नीचे नहीं टच हुआ, बचा हुआ अभी भी, इसके बाद का तो नीचे ही नहीं, 30 मिनट भी नहीं हुआ, हाँ ठीक है, लेट्स सी। हम तो चाह रहे टच कर जाए cause like it'll fucking go, yeah, this is much better, yeah। SL below this thing, it's gonna be like around 30 pips, 30 pips या 40 pips के अराउंड रहेगा, तो 30 pips में तो सही है, सेम ही साइज रहेगा लॉट साइज, बढ़ाना नहीं छोटा भी नहीं करना, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, सब सेम ही रहेगा लॉट साइज। लेट्स सी क्या, ओह डोजी बना, ओके ओके, जस्ट वन थिंग ओके, जस्ट रिमेंबर इफ देयर इज डोजी वी डोंट डू एनी डैम थिंग, आई डोंट लाइक डोजी कैंडल्स to enter off okay, so just take a normal single rejection candle to the whichever direction the market is going to go, for the upside up rejection and then for the downside down rejection. I already have the indicator to be honest, so it's fine. So just for the people who don't like, who are not able to understand like how or doji or the entry is confirmed, it's just a rejection candle, that's it, that's what I use, that's what I have tested okay, so that's what I have tested। अभी ऊपर के साइड okay, whatever man, 15 okay, possibly what it's gonna do right, like हाँ ये वाला भी तो एक ही लेवल है भाई मेरे, what I think is markets not gonna just directly go down भाई, देखना पड़ेगा ये कैंडल क्या चल रहा है 30 सेकंड में, टाइम फैक भाई, वो वहाँ पे एंटर नहीं मिल रहा है, तो भी रेड कैंडल से डोजी पॉसिबली कैनॉट एंटर ओके, एंड देन इट विल ड्रॉप और नॉट, ओह fucking hell man, fucking hell okay, still key level will be tapped, what is this man, what is this okay, 50 10 okay, not that great to be honest, not that great, and let's see। अभी तो ये ख़त्म हो गया राइट, व्हाट आई वांट की ब्रेक कर दिया ऐसे, इन द सेंस क्लोज किया ओके, सो व्हाट आई वांट इज की भाई जस्ट टैप दिस एंड देन वी कैन एंटर, or maybe like I'll find some other entries, I don't see anything to be honest, and कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, it's all is risky okay, all candles are risky to be honest, what I yes swing okay, it's gonna create this swing possibly and then it's gonna take it out। अभी तो कैंडल ही नहीं टच किया भाई, ये 15 मिनट बाई डायरेक्टली, अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता, ये वाला हम टेस्ट किया भाई, ये इतना नहीं चलता, अच्छा नहीं लगता मेरे को, this is kind of a low probability entry okay in this case, so what I want is just like market take touch this level and then go, and we can enter over there, it's not even what I should do or not, it is what the rule says, so let the price come over here, we'll use a rejection candle and then enter okay, so anything you want to say man, anyone? If it is gonna go upside, it's gonna go upside, we cannot enter right there, I mean like yeah it took, but again it's the same thing okay, sweep okay, this one swept out, now where the price can go, price can either go low, this thing low, take the lows, or maybe just come here and then go upside, so it depends on the candles how it's been created okay, so we'll take a long from here if it comes, if it doesn't SL below this thing, so 23 pips around something like that, and then we can target maybe depends on the candles. Okay, what I usually target is like around 5 minutes or 15 minutes, but in this case what I can target is over here till over here, around 150 pips in this case, to be honest, in this current case. But again, it's the same thing, it didn't reject it. Okay, so why did I just ignore this thing, right? To be honest, like it closed upside in this case, so possibly it's gonna just keep going upside, but the thing was the levels, okay, the levels should be respected. Okay, as I told you in the videos, the levels should be respected. So, and in this case it didn't reject it, so I'm not gonna fucking just enter because it is just started going up, and still I don't have any entry in this case. You can see right there, yeah, this thing, no entry candle, so it's just a rejection. Okay, rejection. So in this case it wasn't, so we didn't took any entries. And if it taps again, create an what do you say, this thing, rejection candle, we can take for the longs. Otherwise it's definitely it's gonna just fucking go upside when I wasn't in, but definitely it's gonna go up. It is not even my choice. See, sweep, and what I was trying to say, right, like it already hit the 50%. So as you all guys know, there is like this structure, right? So market try to tends to like come back at the 50% of this, like a normal structure, man. Like you don't need to just a 50% fib 50% over here, right? So market tries to come at the 50%, it doesn't necessarily needs to tap this thing, so just 50% and then it continues. Okay, in this case, and in this case it just continues. So in this case, like it already tapped over here 50%. So what two things can happen is, like either market can just go from here to here again and then go, or something else like deeper levels. Okay, so possibly deeper levels. So only these two entries, to be honest. And yes, you could have entered at this 50% mark. Okay, at this sweep, but again the RR will be low over here. Okay, so if you have entered over here, SL will be above, obviously. RR will be low, like new 1:1, so it doesn't really make sense for me. And so yeah, so we cannot just enter over there, right? If SL is small, why? Let's see, man, let's see, it's fine, it's gonna come back, no need to worry. M15, M5 rate. यहाँ पे कोई मतलब we cannot enter in this case. Okay, like it doesn't really make sense to enter from here, because unless it comes, okay, so unless it comes over here and then we can target over there till there, so कुछ नहीं हो सकता. Let's see भाई, let's see क्या होता है. We just need, like, okay, it's simple. If 50% tapped, right, so fib is done. In this case, this fib is already done. But again, on the bigger picture, if you see from here to your right, so this one is already done. So only two options. Okay, तो यहाँ पे बस भाई simple सा बात. Okay, इवन इफ यहाँ से लोगे तुम लोग, कोई सेंस नहीं बनता, एस एल विल बी हाई, एस एल विल बी हाई, राइट? सो वाई वेस्ट मनी अवे मैन, वाई वेस्ट मनी टू एंटर, right? Understand my point, right? Like, yeah, so what is most likely is gonna happen is market is just fucking gonna go upside, closes or breaks 12:20, okay, 12:30, let's see क्या होता है. Dun, 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 dun. No questions, man? Okay. It's not gonna tap, we cannot enter. भाई ये कंटिन्यू कर देगा ऊपर की साइड, डजंट रियली मेक सेंस, राइट? इट डजंट रियली मेक सेंस इन दिस केस. भाई ये ऊपर के साइड ही ब्रेक करेगा, सीधा बात है. आ रहा है भाई, जस्ट वेट भाई, जस्ट वेट, ओके, इट्स फाइन. Okay, so okay, it is much better. Okay, it is much better. So now दिस टुक आउट, ओके, यहाँ पे स्वीप किया, यहाँ पे स्वीप करने के बाद वॉट एवर इट इज़ लाइक, ओके, इन इनवर्स और वॉट एवर इट इज़ लाइक 50% आया, यहाँ पे टैप किया नीचे के साइड, ना 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 M5 पे स्वीप किया, मतलब यहाँ पे अभी आएगा, स्वीप करेगा इसको एंड देन मिलेगा भाई, ये प्रोबेबिलिटी ज़्यादा रहता है इसका टारगेट निकलने का, मतलब यहाँ टारगेट नहीं, टारगेट मोस्ट लाइकली विल बी जस्ट टेकिंग लाइक 1500, बट अगेन स्टिल, तो ये इसके अकॉर्डिंग फॉलो करेंगे ना तो ये हो जाएगा। तो भाई हम चाह रहे हैं कि भाई जल्दी से थोड़ा जल्दी मिल जाए, तो बस मिल जाए, ओके, दैट्स इट, सिंपल, जस्ट टैप इट एंड देन फकिंग एंटर। ऐसे एल के नीचे रहेगा 23 पे स्किप्स, ऐसा नहीं कि टैप करके, टैप करने के बाद यहाँ पे हम लोग कन्फर्मेशन देखेंगे एंड देन एंटर, कन्फर्मेशन का कैंडल ये रहेगा जो भी रहेगा, रिजेक्शन कैंडल, ओके, तुम लोग को पता नहीं रहेगा, बता देंगे अगर रिजेक्शन कैंडल रहेगा कि नहीं। सो जस्ट अ फकिंग 1500 कैंडल मे बी 100 पिप्स, देखते हैं, वो तो डिपेंड करता है कि मार्केट कैसा मूव करता है, क्योंकि जैसे कि अगर लास्ट, ओके, कल का वीडियो अगर रात में तुम लोग को याद नहीं, पता नहीं तुम लोग देखे हो कि नहीं देखे हो, लेवल टच किया, अगर ये जा रहा है मार्केट अंदर ने ये ब्रेक किया, तो ब्रेक करने के बाद यहाँ से अगर रिवर्स कर रहा है ना, तो सिर्फ एक ही कैंडल, मतलब यहाँ पे जब तक ब्रेक कर रहा है ना, तो अगर हायर टाइम फ्रेम अलाइन है ना, तो भाई नहीं जाएगा। जैसे ये देखो 15 मिनट था, राइट, 15 मिनट्स किसके साथ अलाइंड है कि नहीं, 30 मिनट्स के साथ, ओके, इफ़ यू नो यू नो, ओके, इफ़ यू नो दिस थिंग यू नो, कल का, तो अगर लेवल अलाइंड है तो मोस्ट लाइकली नहीं जाता है। व्हाट आई वांट कि भाई ये स्वीप कर ले, M50, रुक जाओ इसको हटाओ यार, भाई वो स्वीप कर ले, बस भाई स्वीप कर ले, ये इसका लो बस स्वीप कर ले एंड देन विल जस्ट टैप इट, क्योंकि हायर टाइम फ्रेम अलाइन में जाएगा, M15 का लेवल है, M30 का भी लेवल है उसमें, और H1 का भी लेवल है, क्लोज होने वाला है, ठीक है, बट लेवल है, तो भाई अलाइन पॉसिबली है कि मार्केट और नीचे जा सकता है एंड देन ऊपर के साइड, बट ये सब तो लेवल्स उसी के नीचे, ये सब तो कुछ भी नहीं चलेगा, ये दोनों लेवल तो चलेगा ही नहीं अब, क्योंकि भाई ऑलरेडी टैप इन करके ऊपर जा चुका था इंटरसेंट मिक्स। आ रहा है, लेट्स सी, ऑफ टैप पहले ही रिजेक्ट करा, विच इज़ बैड। Let's see भाई, टैप इन मैन, जस्ट फकिंग टैप, स्टिकिंग टाइम पॉसिबली, ओके, क्या आ रहा है ना, ये 14 मिनट या 1 घंटा जो भी रहेगा ना, उसके बाद टैप करेगा पॉसिबली, ये 12:30 बजे बाद, मतलब टाइम लगेगा, दैट्स फाइन। स्वीप कर दे भाई मेरे, जस्ट फकिंग स्वीप दिस थिंग मैन। जस्ट स्वीप करो भाई लो। यहाँ पे आने दो, जस्ट क्लोज अबव, हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी ट्रेड जाएगा बट लाइक आई जस्ट नीड स्वीप बाई. आई विल जस्ट वेट बाय यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा और. आएगा तो लेंगे. ओके यहाँ बस टैप करेगा देन कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है. साइडवेज है मार्केट पूरा. आने दो आने दो. भाई देखो सिंपल सा बात है, ठीक है बता रहे हैं. इधर आएगा तो रिस्क फ्री करके ऐसा जो भी रहेगा यहाँ से विल बुक इट अराइव 50 100 जो भी मिलेगा, ठीक है ना. ये जो आदमी सब होते हैं ना बीच में बुक करते हैं 10 बार 20 बार दिखाने के लिए, ऊपर चढ़ा देंगे वो. भाई भाई क्या भाई 100 पिप 200, भाई 50 ही पिप मिला है, मिला 50 पिप है, काय को खुश हो रहा है हैं. ठीक है ना, तो कोई फ़ायदा नहीं पड़ता भाई. भाई 50 पिप मिल रहा है उसमें दिखा रहे हो भाई 100 पिप कर रहे, क्या फ़ायदा वैसा. बुक तो आधा पहले हो चुका है. सिंपल सा बात है राइट, सिंपल सा बात है. क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है ना कि हम भी यहाँ पे 100 पिप्स, मेरा मेरा 1500 हम बोल रहे हैं ना 15 भाई हम 1:1 करके होल्ड करेंगे पूरा हम लोग. बुक वुक नहीं, क्योंकि बहुत कोई रहता है बुक बोलता है बुक करना है, नहीं बुक नहीं करना. बुक क्यों करना भाई मेरे, बुक क्यों करना, कोई फ़ायदा नहीं बुक करने का. जब पता है मेरे को कि ऊपर जाएगा मार्केट, जब पता है, पता ही है कि फिर इतना जाएगा तो क्यों नहीं होल्ड करना, राइट. सिंपल सा बात है. समझे, तो वो बात हो जाता है. अभी 150 पिप्स देखो कैसे मिलता है तुम लोगों को. टारगेट चाहिए ना, आने दो. नहीं आ रहा, ऊपर के साइड ही जाएगा ऑब्वियसली भाई. स्वीप नहीं किया इधर मार्केट के साइड, होल्ड ही कर रहा है पूरा. अगर स्वीप करता तो बढ़िया मिलता. स्वीप करता तो मतलब हम लोग लेते. ओके वील जस्ट होल्ड ओवर दे, बट वी कैन नॉट, in this case, so it's fine. 150 pips in this case हम लोग को यहाँ तक चाहिए, और हमेशा 1:1 के बाद हम लोग कॉस्ट टू कॉस्ट पे करते हैं मूव, नॉट कि भाई यहाँ पे रनिंग छोड़ देंगे ना, कोई मतलब नहीं बनता, या फिर आधा बुक कर रहे हैं ना, आधा बुक नहीं करते हम, आधा बुक ना किए कभी ना करना चाहते हैं आधा बुक। या तो देखो दो ही ऑप्शन रहता है, या तो 1:2 पे निकलेंगे हम लोग, मतलब 1:2 बुक करके अब चाहे कितना भी पिप्स मिले, क्योंकि कोई मतलब नहीं बनता, ठीक है ना, पिप्स कैलकुलेट करने का जब 1:2 कर रहे हो तो 1:2 में इसमें 40 पिप्स या 50 पिप्स मिलेगा, और अगर नहीं तो फिर 1500, अब डिपेंड करता है मार्केट पे, मोमेंटम अगर बहुत बढ़िया मिला तो भाई निकल जाएंगे। अगर यहाँ पे जाके 1:2 के बाद यहाँ पे जाके बहुत देर तक 1:2 के बाद होल्ड करने लगा ना, होल्ड करने लगा तो विल जस्ट बुक एट 1:2, डजंट रियली मेक सेंस, राइट राइट। समझे कि नहीं भाई, समझ रहे हो कि नहीं, सिंपल सा बात है और कुछ नहीं भाई, स्वीप एंड देन एंटर, दैट्स इट, लाइक इट डजंट रियली मेक सेंस। अगर तुम लोग को लगता है कि बुक करना ज़्यादा प्रॉफिटेबल है, करते रहो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन फिर वही बात है कि भाई जब सेम चीज़ अगर हम 50 पिप्स फुल क्वांटिटी होल्ड कर सकते हैं, फुल क्वांटिटी जब होल्ड करके 50 पिप्स पे बुक करके सेम ही प्रॉफिट कर सकते हो तो क्या फ़ायदा हुआ, राइट, सिंपल सा बात है। और अगर कॉन्फिडेंट है ट्रेड में तो फिर 1000 पिप पकड़ो, 100 पिप में क्या है भाई, या फिर अगर यहाँ से यहाँ पकड़ना है तुम लोग को, जो भी रहता है ना कि 100 पकड़ना, 1500, फुल क्वांटिटी पकड़ो ना, फुल क्वांटिटी क्यों नहीं पकड़ रहे, वो 10 बार बुक करने से अच्छा है एक ही बार में निकल जाओ 1:2 पे। बहुत कोई है भाई, बहुत कोई जो बुक करता है ना सब भाई कैलकुलेट भी नहीं करेगा भाई, वो लोग सीधे बोले कि भाई यहाँ से यहाँ तक पकड़े 100 पिप काउंट कर दिए, ये यहाँ से यहाँ तक मानो, यहाँ से यहाँ मानो, जो भी रहा 100 पिप, यहाँ पे 100 पिप भाई, ओ भाई 100 पिप हो गया भाई, कहाँ 100 पिप हुआ भाई, बुक किए ना, पार्शल्स किए हो तो 100 पिप नहीं ना होता, उसको काउंट क्यों करते हो वैसे, 100 पिप पकड़े हो। मूव आना एंड कैप्चर करना दोनों डिफरेंट चीज़, ओके, सिंपल सा बात है। समझे। और M5 भाई 10 बार 20 बार बुक करके उसके बाद 100 पिप्स पकड़ना, इट्स लाइक M5 पे साइडवेज ही रह गया मार्केट, आज वो भी नहीं मिल रहा। थोड़ा देर और दुखते, 5 मिनट या आधा घंटा और देखते क्या होता है यहाँ पे। मिल तो जाता यार, पायस सही है अपना, लेकिन मिल नहीं रहा एंट्री, ये दिक्कत है। हम्म ठीक है, ये भी सही है स्विप करके। आ रहा है क्या? इंतज़ार करो भाई, इंतज़ार करो, नहीं तो फिर वहीं पे रह गया। आ रहा है, आ रहा है, लेट्स गो। है स्वीप करने के लिए दोनों की साइड है, दोनों साइड, ऊपर की साइड भी स्वीप करके ऊपर की साइड जा सकता है, बढ़िया है। आने दो, आने दो। मिल ही नहीं रहा भाई, टाइम लग रहा है। ता, 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 ता। आ जाओ यार, आ भी जाओ एंट्री के लिए। हम्म आ जाओ यार, ओके नल। क्या बंद हो गया? ठीक है, लेट्स सी। भाई जस्ट नीचे से स्वीप कर दो यार, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, स्वीप होल्ड सब। वीकली का बचा हुआ है, पेंडिंग है, वीकली पूरा यहाँ से पेंडिंग है। थोड़ा देर और इंतज़ार करते हो, okay, just maybe like half an hour more and then we'll just see क्या होता है. I'll take most likely fucking 2 मतलब 1:2 possibly. उससे ज़्यादा कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है लेके. ये क्या है? Swagger FX, hi bro, hey, what's up, bhai? What's up? How you? Hey, yo, what's up, man? कौन है ये सब भाई? अबे ये कुछ भी भाई, किसी का भी वीडियो भाई, ये oldest में, if I could just go in oldest, right? I remember this guy, fucking कुछ भी भाई. I commented a video, I didn't know you were like, yeah, I just started like, maybe, I'm just teaching you guys, okay, just for fucking fun, that's it. Just remember, okay, I'll tell you something, something that you should remember when you're learning from some mentor, okay? Just one thing. If someone is telling you to partial out your trades, okay, yeah, remember this thing. If someone is telling you, let's suppose price move like 100 pips, okay, 100 pips, if you're on live stream, and someone told you to partial out your trades like around 50%, book 50%, 80% something, and afterwards they say they catch 100 pips, and that's a fucking scam, man. You already know, you understand, like that's a scam, cause you already booked 50% and then 100%, so it's gonna be maximum 50 plus 15, 65 pips. So it's not like you capture 100 pips, you just manage your trade, so it's not 100 pips total. So remember this thing, okay? Because on internet, like everyone get caught in this trap, as everyone says like, oh, I captured this, I booked that, that, okay? So yeah, so yeah, you understand this thing. Because here on this stream we don't book fucking partials, we don't do bullshit like that. We either book 1:2, so calculate your lot sizes. We are not fixed lot sizes anymore. People like to do fixed lot sizes, then we'll just do fixed lot sizes when like the SL will be fixed like 30 pips in this case and then 30 pips on the other side. So we don't do that bullshit, okay? And yeah, that's it. So yeah, so yesterday, right, yesterday I uploaded, after the storyline I uploaded a video roadblock, okay, if you remember or not. In that I was talking about high time frame confluences in this case, okay? So in this case there is this OHLC open close candle over here. You can see M15 candle, right, which I marked over here, and in this thing it aligns with M30 high time frame, and again it aligns with H1 time this thing high time frame, right? So it's gonna most possibly it's gonna come back, tap in here, go upside. So we won't directly enter from here, we'll look for some kind of entry confirmations over here. And yeah, that's it, man. Like just wait for this entry. SL will be below the like any level, like any SNR level, okay? So that's it, nothing more complex in this case. And yeah, so everyone, like, and if anyone says like, if anyone, okay, so okay, if you maybe swag gamer, right, swag X gamer, if you go on other stream and maybe I don't know, if they say, oh no, I book 200 300, you say, okay, if you book, do this thing, there's let's start a competition between all the YouTubers, like deposit a 1k account, public account, 1k public account, and share the investor ID password, and then let's see who cares, man, right? So okay, it's translated or what? Why is it like, okay brother, for the storyline, should the rejection candle be closed and or not? Because in the storyline at 3, as soon as the candle closes, the taps, it should close, to be honest. It's like, okay, wait, I'll tell you. If it Okay, so if price comes and it doesn't close, right, it doesn't close, it has a chance that it can reverse. Okay, it just increases the probability. So if you're new and if you are still like new to this learning, just wait for the closing, man. Just wait for the closing. After maybe after you have taken like 100 trades with closing, you can understand, oh, when the market's not going to close or when the market's going to close, because most possibly it's like it's touching the key level or some other level that it's going to go upside. So that's how it is. Okay, okay. Is the latency low or not, man? Is the latency low or not? I think it is, or I don't know, man. I can talk, right? Yeah. So I mean, yesterday will determine today's direction. Am I right? Yeah, yeah. If you're doing intraday, yeah, just remember this thing. Yesterday will determine your direction, like this thing. Let's suppose this thing, this key level, right? Sorry, this SNR level, it broke this thing. So what time frame will go on H4? H4 it touched, it starts breaking. Now what we gonna do? We'll just continue go for the buys. Continue go for the buys, man. Don't worry about anything else. Just continue go for the buys. In this case also, like, yeah, this thing, right? It's already, now you just mark the levels, like this level, this level, this level, this level, and go for the buys, because in this case it didn't close below this thing also. So there is no roadblock in this case if you have watched the yesterday's video. So yeah, and yeah, you can just continually go for the buys. If you guys have any problem, right, you can just message me on Telegram. It's already free. I'm teaching it for free because most of the fucking I just fucking wanna ruin like everyone else, like trading or teaching, taking money, because it's already 2026, man. If you can just it's not 2022 or 2020 where people wants to like make money by selling courses. Nah. If you can learn, you can learn. I'm just guiding you all guys, not even teaching. I'm guiding you all guys that, oh, you need to do this, because I'll tell you, strategy decay is real. What I give you all guys, it's one type of or one concept. You can make different strategies based on that concept. Okay, so you have to think. You you cannot just be like, oh, I'm giving he's giving the strategy, now I don't need to think, I don't need to backtest, I don't need to do anything, he's just gonna teach it. No, if I teach you the proper, like my own strategy, it's gonna decay. Okay, the strategy decay is real. Edge decay, okay, strategy not edge decay is real. Okay, so yeah, what is rejection? We need H4 breakout, or if no H4 breakout, we can use H1 breakout, right? No. This is a misconception. Daily reject only H4. Daily, if you use H1, it's a flawed concept, man. Okay, it's a flawed concept. It's just time frames. I'll tell you why. I'll tell you. H4, I don't know if you all guys know or not. H4 is mid, it's kind of a swing to intraday candle. Okay, you can also swing with it, you can also intraday with it. Okay, so that's why when I'm talking about H4, it has more probability than any other time frame you can get on. You can trade news, you can trade anything, any news, US news, Fed news, this and that, everything. You can trade news with H4. So, and it doesn't, most likely it doesn't take out the liquidity and do those bullshit like OVR, right? It just break. Now it'll just keep going, go for the buys. See, structure again in the same thing. In this case, breaks, structure. In this case, it took the daily, possibly, right? Daily, no, it didn't. See, in this thing, right? It didn't reject it, but still went downside. So what? Will you go for the sells or the buys? No, you don't. Okay, so what do we do if only got rejection and not got breakout? Okay, so there are two things. Okay, so what I used to do. Okay, so I don't know if you'll agree, but if you want to go for the swing or swing trades, what I personally do on NAS. Okay, if you want to go swing trade, just stick with H4. No need to anything else. But if you want to, like, if you're okay, you can sit in the charts, or maybe like I don't know how many hours you can sit, but like whatever. If you want to do that, then change your time frame. Go for H4. And then H1 candle. Then it'll just take 1 hour to close the candle, right? So possibly, yeah, you can do that. So you just use it, and I mean that's it. You can just do that thing, and you're good to go. You're good to go, man. You got good to go. Bro, in storyline video you told to look for breakout in time frame low. Yes. So weekly, yeah, the swing is in weekly. I'm talking about weekly. If you are looking for weekly, then H4, and then you can look for daily roadblock. But if you are looking on daily, I don't know what you just talk me out about. What do you say? This thing. I was talking about swings. Okay, H4 is only for swings. If you want to go intraday, you can just go daily, H1 and H4. So those 3 time frames. Intraday is much easier, I'll say, but it depends on the calendar. Sometimes markets like see okay, over here, market is not moving anywhere. So what if it would have been like H4 or H1? Like I'll just like put the alert and I'll be like whatever. Okay, when it comes, I'll touch it and then enter. Okay, in this case. And this strategy I like just developed recently, this strategy, and I'm just teaching this thing to my friend. Okay, last week was good, to be honest, and let's see how it goes this week. Possibly it's gonna be good, but let's see. Yeah, see, I'll tell you. Okay, remember. Let's see if it taps or not. I just want this to fucking tap in this case, and then only we can discuss about this thing. Possibly, I just want to get an entry today. So this is a very good example for yesterday what I like posted. Okay, so I just want this to tap over here. It's gonna take time, who cares, but like just tap it, okay, so that I can teach you all guys what I was what video I was making yesterday. Oh fuck, wait, it just dropped. Okay, yeah, so yesterday videos was everything about roadblock was good, but most of the people don't understand roadblock. They think like, oh, this level, now we need another. They okay, yeah, people think roadblock as a level where, or POI, they think roadblock as a POI. Whenever it touches, you need a new confirmation. No. That's the whole problem, man. Roadblock isn't your POI or your key level. It's just the level. It's just a level to continue into the same direction. Like both side. Weekly roadblock for the daily level. Daily roadblock for the weekly level. It can act as a support or it can act as a resistance. It can happen, but most of the people are like, no, you don't do this, don't that, do this, that, everything. So this is the example. Okay, let's see. I'll show you guys. Maybe we'll get an entry today. Let's see, man. If it touches, we are good to go. I'll say it again. Anyone who's booking and doing purchase and capturing this 100 pips, like, no man, you're not even fucking good. Let's see how it goes. So Swagger X, like, yeah. So Swagger X, so never use roadblock as a POI. Okay, it's not a POI, because when you mark POI, you'll just fucking so bro, I'll tell you what I do, okay, and tell me what should I correct. Yeah, sure. Why not, man? Definitely, I'll tell you. It's fine. So don't use roadblock as a POI, please. Don't use it. People used to think, I used to think, to be honest, I used to do the same thing, but afterwards journaling like several trades, 100,000 trades, I figured it out, kind of. Okay, kind of. Sometimes your mentors tell you to do it on your own, and that's the reason. Now you understand. You know, you don't need it's not a POI, and it doesn't act as a POI. So whatever, man. Let's see. It's gonna fucking break or not, man. Like, just fucking give me an entry in this case. Like, I want to get an entry. Okay. I see. My bad. This is also, but again, H4 will be different, right? Sure. No. M15 is fine. We don't go above M15 on stream, or it's gonna take time. Okay, I go daily time frame and see for nearest level to buy sell good, and refine it to H4 and H1 key level. No need. And if possible or align, I use no need. First one done. You don't need to refine that. If it's already tapped on the H1 daily level. No. I read everything. Oh, okay, the first one. Okay, wait. Oh, sorry. Okay, first I find storyline. So for today's direction, okay, I see rejection in yesterday's daily candle and reject. We got breakout. Yeah, good or not. So after the storyline is confirmed, yes, confirmed means breakout of H4. Okay, I go to daily time frame and see for nearest level. After breakout is confirmed, so you wait or go for daily time frame and see the nearest level. Okay, refine it to the H4 and H1 key levels. You don't need to. First thing, first thing first. Okay, yesterday done. So breakout, right? So let's suppose there was daily level. H4 came here. Oh, okay. So this is not okay. For daily, you need to use H1, not H4. Okay. First thing, it's for the weekly week. So H1 two times frame below. After it breaks, right? After it breaks, you'll continue and wait for like a rejection candle over here. After that, it breaks and rejected. You need to just continue going for the buys. And for the second line, you told me I for the next day. Okay, so the storyline is confirmed. In this case, after the break, the storyline is confirmed. So yesterday, let's suppose yesterday and today, it broke, and there is also a rejection. So we'll continue going for the buys. We don't look for sell as in. We don't look for sell to sell, but more like to see as what will happen or will the market break in these conditions or not. That's what we see, because it's not going to close. Okay, daily level, it's not going to close that day. Okay, obviously, so you need to project it for the next day, not in the same day. And yeah, for the daily, use H1, man. No need to, and don't need to refine, because I'll say you might think, okay, you might think this is the daily level and there is a wick. You might say, okay, there's an H4 H1. Why? You know why? Sometimes price breaks this daily level but still rejects. Still goes up. Why? Because it rejected on H4. H4. Okay, that's what multi-time frame. I'll be up making the videos. I'll tell you this thing, this video. This level. See. Yeah. No. Where did it broke? And then yeah. See, in this case, right? In this case, daily broke, and then why still went upside? H4, cause of H4. It sometimes price doesn't needs to reject that time frame, so it doesn't needs to reject daily to go for the upside. It can also reject on the H4 or the lower time frame H1. But if you use, let's suppose, a daily level and there is an H4, what time frame break will you be using? Possibly M30, right? You'll be using M30 break. You won't be using H1 or something else. Yeah, you could maybe use it. It's not necessary. You could use, but it's gonna take time to make. So you can also use M30 over here and go for the cells. So that's how it is. It is multi-time frame thing. You cannot just see one time frame and then be like, oh, done. Okay, so that's the whole thing. So first, fix your time frames. If you're only going for the dailies, just go with the daily, stick with the daily. And if you're going for the weekly, just go with the weekly. Don't swap. Okay. So now look, storyline is bullish and I go daily and see for level buy nearest level it at 4570. So now I'm not gonna get entry 4570, right? For daily, you mean? Yeah, daily 4570 4570. Okay, you mean this thing? First of all, this is not even a level because it's already tested. It's already been used. We don't use refresh levels. Okay, we don't use refresh levels. And if you are using daily, man, you are using monthly. Your high time frame is monthly. Weekly is your roadblock, and daily is your local time frame to break. So it's gonna take fucking weeks to create it. No. Fresh and unfresh. Don't use that, man. Don't use that. Please don't use that. It has a lower probability than using a normal fresh candles. Okay, just remember, it has a lower probability. I've tested this bullshit for so long time. Okay, don't use, please, fresh and unfresh this thing, please. It's gonna save you guys. Okay, it's gonna save you. It's please. if your higher time frame is daily, right? So I'll tell you, okay, so remember, if your higher time frame is daily, you can break it, but don't refresh the candles. Okay, this is called refreshing of the candles. I used to use, I also uploaded this video, like refreshing of the candles. Use it one time and that's it. Don't use it to refresh the candles. Okay, and if you're going for this thing, so see again, daily, see, this is a candle, it broke doesn't mean it's used. Okay, so it's still fresh, it touches. Now go 2 time frame below, H1. Now wait, daily, right? It came on the 20th. 28th means like this thing, 20th over here. Yeah, it broke, right? In this condition it broke. Now what you'll do, you'll just mark out the structures and keep on going for the buys. So as soon as this structure goes for the upside, keep buying from either here, or maybe like it's not clean in this case, it's already used, don't do it. It broke again, buy from this gap, it broke again, keep on going. Okay, buy from this gap, keep on going. Okay, so like that you need to do. In this case there wasn't any daily, so it, even though if it like in this case there wasn't any daily level, right? So even though it closed, we cannot go for the sells, right? Because it needs to reject something, so it still continues going for the buy side. Then again came back over here, it didn't give you an entry, that's fine. Sometimes it's gonna happen that it's you won't be getting any entries, but that's what you need to do. Again it broke this structure, came back, tapped in over here, gave you an entry, it went upside again. So it's that's how you're supposed to do. You're not supposed to go like or don't mark please fresh, and this thing is like I've already tested, it lowers your probability, to be honest, and it also it confuses you. So according to you, if my high time frame is daily, then I should take entry from H1, not daily. Yeah. High time frame is daily means, okay, I'll say if candle moves from daily to daily, like this thing. Okay, so what do I mean by candles moves from daily to daily? Means this is a candle. Okay, this is a candle, this touches and it moved upside. It doesn't, so you cannot just enter. Like how will you enter over here? It's a single candle, or it's just a single move. How you're gonna enter? With the structure, and structure will be only shown on H1, like 2 times from below. It'll be like this, right? This is how you will be marking the structures, or maybe H4 sometimes, but yeah, most of the time you won't be getting H4s. So that's how you're supposed to do daily and H1. Yeah, so obviously structure, think as a structure thing. Daily to daily is the level, so maybe classic level. If price touches, you don't need to wait for this thing for the daily. You just need to go for a H1. H1. Just break H1 and then buy, keep on buy till it reaches some level. Okay, till it reaches some level. So hint is a breakout, and H1 2 time frame below is the structure. Remember, okay, just remember. In this case again, okay, I'll just fucking close the stream today, or maybe I don't know. It's taking time. I just wanted price to hit it and then just go reverse. I would love if like if I hit this thing, like just touch it, man, just touch it. Whatever this bullshit trail line shit. But if my key level is just 40 to 50 pips in daily, no, it doesn't really matter. See again, it doesn't really matter about pips and everything. You are doing intraday, or maybe intraday with swing kind of, cause sometimes daily or daily level gives you swing setups. It doesn't really matter. Okay, whenever you mark, right, whenever you mark from daily to daily, right, you don't need to, it doesn't really matter, because when price comes or taps in over here, right, you'll be looking on H1. You don't see, higher time frame. Okay, there 3 things: HTF, roadblock, and a lower time frame, or lower time frame, you'll say. HTF is daily, H1 is this thing. So as told you, right, roadblock is not POI, but HTF is a POI. So in HTF, you need to use H1 for the direction confirmation. Okay, you need to use H1 whenever price comes in this thing to confirm that the storyline is going for the buys. If it doesn't, buy in the same direction. Remember this thing, okay? And what to do in this situation where yesterday's candle don't have rejection, not breakout. What's the action for today? Look for the previous day candle. It doesn't needs to be just yesterday. You can use like last candle, previous 3 candle, previous 4 candles, like that. You don't need to do that. And in this case, H4. So this one is POI. This one is to confirm that POI is working, and this one is to block like against the POI direction. So it's kind of like supply and demand. How you look at supply demand, right? I don't know if you know supply demand or not. If there is a supply, whenever price comes right over here, it will kind of create a demand also in this case, right? So whenever it touches, it could give touch it and then can reverse. Okay, so you need to like be wary whenever it touches this thing. Sometimes it's gonna just break, and sometimes it's gonna just hold and then fucking go upside. So that's how it is. You'll figure it out, man. Like it depends on how long you're like practicing and how long you've been back testing this thing. You'll just figure it out. No worries, because it's gonna take time, to be honest. Because it's a new concept. If you are new to this thing, it's a new concept. Storyline takes times. Moreover, like roadblock takes time. Not storyline. Storyline is much simpler, but roadblocks gonna take time because it needs experience. You cannot just, even if I tell you, okay, do this thing, you won't be. Okay, you won't be. I can show you guys, okay, this thing, that thing, but you won't be able to do it because it's kind of complex. Okay, it's not complex, but it's like kind of hard to understand, because on the traditional way it's not taught. Okay, it's just like POI, everything is POI. No. So storyline is bullish in gold. So now I go to H1 and enter from H1 kill. Yeah, just enter. Just keep on entering. Anyone who says like, oh, it's gonna go upside, no, man. Just keep on entering. Just remember, okay, whenever, how is structure made? Okay, the structure is made like this thing. Break, price comes at the 50%. Like 50% is just a fib. Okay, it is just fib, 50% or below. That's it. Okay, it's not, don't ask like premium discount there. No. It's like you all already know like what 50% means, right? If you have been trading for a while, it's not some single concept. So yeah, 4638. No, this one is also H1 over here, which I already marked. This one or this one, both. 4638 is one level, like, which is called classic, and this one is another level, which is called gap, or just open or buy candle. Maybe I taught you this thing on the first or second video, I remember. So yeah, it's taking time, to be honest. It's fucking taking time. I just want to just give me an entry, man. If it doesn't gives me an entry, like maybe like 15 minutes for like 1:15 till gap out. Yeah. All open close can gap. You can say gap. It's fine. I just don't say it anymore. It's fine. Like with just candles. So yeah, what's the reason for your entry? Just a candle. Okay, so okay, for the reason, right? Confirmation I'm asking, right? Like whenever price touches, you need a confirmation, right? So I was teaching this thing to my friend, okay, this whole concept, right? How you're supposed to, because he wanted to learn. He was like, oh, I just need to learn because I want to skill max, okay? He doesn't want to trade, but he just want to learn new things, okay? So I was like, okay, fuck it, we remove everything in this case, and confirmation should be easiest. So I just like created an indicator. It's just called a pin bar indicator in this case, right? So as soon as price touches, I get a pin bar indicator, like it's on. So what it means is, pin bar, this candle body should be small, and the wick should be double of the top of this thing and double of this body. That's it. That's the entry. Fuck it. SL below the next level. So there are multiple levels. On M15, I marked this thing on M15, right? So below this candle or QM level or anything else. So you need to journal this thing. What I journal for last week was just previous will work. It's fine. You don't need to have multiple, or like put like, even if there is like some levels between, you don't need to skip that level. You can just put it below that level. So it's fine. So this is just a normal entry, man. Don't worry about entries, okay? Don't worry about entries. Entries are the simplest thing. Yeah, it's difficult if you use a subjective way. but it is not, if it is not subjective, it's the easiest. You can either use, okay, so there are two entries. You can use the pin bar, which I like kind of right now, and you can also use QM entry, just breaks whenever price comes, goes upside. Because when I used to scalp, right, they used to happen, see this thing, okay, in this case, yeah, it didn't work, but because the M15, sorry, in this case it worked, but M15 closed, so I won't take in this case. So this thing over here, even though there wasn't any rejection, because what is it, the wicks are like, it's kind of a doji, right, the QM will still work. In this case, the QM will still work, so quick QM works. So it's not like QM doesn't work, but in this case it closed below, so it's kind of like lowers the probability to go up in the same direction, so I don't take it. Obviously, if the level is there, we need to reject it. We don't want price to just go, take it, and then like close below and then fuck you up. Maybe, yeah, obviously it's M15, right? So possibly it closed on, oh no, wait, you trade, no, I trade London, and I don't trade London, to be honest. Yeah, I don't trade London, I just trade New York. I don't trade London. It's just for the stream. Sometimes some people, right, like see me on, like, in this case it did it tap what I was teaching you. I forgot what the heck was that. Yeah, so some people are online, like in the London, some people are in the NYC, so it's fine. Can you tell me what's the timing, bro? What's the timing? 11:30 for the this thing, for the morning sessions. 11:30, you can, like 11:30 to somewhere, maybe. I'm just gonna close this stream after Asian close, yeah, whatever, man. This is just to fill in the gaps, maybe 1 or 2 hour. Today is my first time, okay, trading London. I don't usually trade London, I don't like trading London. And the evening, it's like 6 p.m. IST, okay, so Indian Standard Time, IST. IST, it's gonna be like around mostly 6, okay, but I'm trying to change it to, because what I use on those time frame is different. So maybe 5, okay, I'll be streaming evening 5, and in the morning 11:30 to 12:30, something like that. White, what do you mean white? Okay, I don't know why the Google is like YouTube is translating this thing, and I cannot do it. Okay, so it is translating whatever you typed in white. I don't know what it is, but again, so yeah, 11:30 to 12:30, I'll say. But today is my first day, so I was just checking out like how it's gonna work or not. Okay, so this thing, and then in the evenings, I'm gonna just stream at like 5. Okay, from 5 to maybe 5 to 6 maximum. Okay, okay, it's still white. Okay, and yeah, possibly you are writing in English, right? Wait, I need to check it out. How to do it? Not trans. Oh, acha. Okay. No, it is translating acha to what do you say, white. I don't know. yeah. Google like on YouTube, right? YouTube function, I don't know. They auto translate some messages and some doesn't. So I'm like, what the heck? It's acha, and like I have to go into the panel and then check it out. So yeah, obviously. I'll be don't worry. Whatever I'm teaching you on YouTube, right? The videos which you have been following for Nasdaq, you can use it. I also like I'll be teaching you all guys on the live channel, and I'm gonna kind of trying to grow this channel. So please like, and it's so everything will be free, nothing will be paid. You don't need to fucking what do you say, pay any shit, any amount. You know, no need to pay any amount, because I'm trying to build a community where people learn rather than they just fucking pay and then they believe they're gonna make money. Okay, so after paying, they think just paying is enough to make money. No, even though I'll just provide you everything, I'm sure most of the time people don't make money, but this is the reality, man. What can I do? I'm trying to fix it, but you need to be big in this community. Okay, you need to be big in this community, at least maybe like, I don't know, whatever subscribers, like a big YouTuber, and then only you can just grow in this channel. So grow in this community, because trading is a fucking shitty scam. Okay, trading is a fucking shitty scam. 20% is good, what institution says, but on YouTube everyone says like, no, you can make 100%. Okay, let's go. $1,000 in a single account. Share your public ID key and password. Sorry, investor ID password, not the public key. Investor ID password, and let's see who makes money. It's all bullshit, man. It's all bullshit in this community, and that's why I hate this community, because I wasted so much time in this thing. Okay, and it was so stupid. It's so stupid simple that I wasted so much time, and I kind of like, I don't want anyone else to waste their time. Okay, that's the whole point. I don't want anyone else to waste time in this trading community, trading thing. It's not a fucking hard thing. Yeah, everyone who says trading is hard, oh, because you didn't know how to do it. Okay, after you become profitable, you already know like all those bullshit thing. So from where you learned or inspired, like I got multiple. Okay, so I got multiple mentors, to be honest. Okay, yeah, multiple mentors. I'll say 10, 12 mentors. I learned one thing from something else, one thing from something else. I used to lock in, like, okay, I used to take like 30 RR minimum. Okay, 30 RR minimum. I used to trade prof firms and all those bullshit. And then okay, so newcomers, okay, newcomers who are in this, like, coming in this space, and they are still like, every YouTuber is preaching, oh, go for the prof firm. I'm saying, like, bro, I used to do prof firm, and I used to get the payouts when fucking no one was trading prof firms. Okay, no one was trading prof firms. And the worst thing you can do for your trading is get a prof firm account. Okay, remember this thing. Maybe some will hate, some will not, but the worst thing you can do, see, any prof firm you take is the worst thing you can do if you're a beginner trader. That's it. Even if you have a small capital, even if you have maybe like $100, or maybe not even 100, if you've got $50, it's the worst fucking mistake to get a prof firm. Final, you can, after you have become profitable, yeah, you can do it, but before, just the beginner traders trading prof firm is the fucking worst thing you can do. Okay, worst thing. And I've already told so many times, but people be like, oh no, you can make money. I'm like, whatever, man, if you're good with it, whatever, I don't really care. If you want to listen, you listen and become profitable as soon as you possible. And if you don't want to, yeah, that's what I don't want about other people. Okay, maybe let's see if we can get rejection candle over here. So I don't know, SwagX, if you are, please don't trade prof firms. Try to get a cent account, to be honest, like cent account, like $50, and the cent account, so possibly trade like 100 or 50 rupees. Yeah, 50 rupees, like 5,000, right? So 150 rupees per trade. Use that. Don't do prof firms, please, please, please. It's for your profit or your benefit, not my side, because I don't try to go for the prof firms. Okay, there are many people who try to. So yeah. Okay, so what I want is just a fucking blue candle over here. Blue candle is buy, and that's it. So 30 pips over here. So 30 pips, right? Yeah, 0.1. Okay, whatever. Okay, so to be honest, right, I don't like this. I like this broker. Yeah, see, that fucking broker is scam. Saxo is scam. Please use forex.com, please. Or maybe don't use forex.com, but use something else. But don't use this thing. Okay, test it over here. Now we can put SL over there. I like Saxo because every candle is good, but like for the rejection candle, I need something else. Yeah, so it's a gap breakout in this case, right? Let's see. This is first time doing on London. Yeah, yeah. I mostly use what you say, New York. So it is my first time. Still waiting. Like I have not entered, right? Unless there is a rejection candle, which means I've already set the indicator, right? So inside, or the body candle will be blue. Okay, then only will enter in this trade, and SL will be below thing. I don't like to trade London, to be honest, but sometimes, okay, my 50% of my viewers is from India. Okay, so I think why not? I'll just stream from this thing. So that's the whole thing. I don't like. It's more like I don't have time. Okay, I don't have time, to be honest. But It's like I don't want to trade like whole day, like 1 hour here, 3 hours there, 4 hours there, this and that. Too much time. Oh fuck, man. Fucking hell. Yeah, it's just dropping. Let's see another. I'm from India too. Yeah. Swagger X. I know. And you wrote HR, right? So I am like, yeah, I know. So it's fine. So you don't have any problem, right? Whenever I make content in English, right? You don't have any problem, right? Cause I don't want, like, people sometimes be like, oh, you cannot speak Hindi. I'm like, I can speak Hindi, but I don't want to, cause I don't want viewers who don't want to learn or something. Like, yeah, it's kind of like I don't want to just cater to Indian people. Okay, so that's the whole thing. Cause there are many people who don't understand Hindi. So that's the whole thing. I don't want to just like lock into myself. Oh, just Hindi. No. I can speak, because I can speak both. So I'll do both, but just Hindi on the stream. And sometimes I also upload video like stocks related video is only on Hindi, right? Obviously, so it's different. So let's see how it goes. What I want, okay, it's not gonna fucking increase this thing. I'm not gonna fucking target 150 pips. I'm gonna just target around 76, something like that. Okay, so there is a blue candle being created. SL will be below this thing, this low. 15 minutes classic. You can see 15 break. H1 also broke right over there. So precise this thing to M30 or M15, whatever you like, and then we can enter over here. Let's see how it goes. And I mean, like, yeah, you can see, right? It's gonna create a big candle. Fuck. Let's see. Okay, not this candle. I will like to create this thing. Let's see. If this blue, just enter. Okay, it's fine. No need to worry about. Around 45. Okay, whatever. Let's see. Enter or not. I'll show you guys. Oh fuck no, please. Okay, that's fine. Fuck. Oh, it's not closing, man. Possibly if it's gonna go below this, if it crosses this thing, right? I'm not gonna enter, to be honest. It's yeah. Some people like, yeah, it's kind of act as a liquidity. Use M15 rejection as confirmation when using daily as higher time frame. Yeah, obviously. M15 or M5. M15 sometimes it's gonna take a lot of time, but you can also use M5. I've tested it. M5 works great. So yeah. If it goes below, right, I don't want, to be honest, but it is kind of like it's gonna take sweep and then go upside, so it's like kind of a different entry. M15 M5 is both are good. M15 rejection and M5 trend line. No, don't use trend line, please. Don't use trend line. Trend line is very it reduces your stop loss, it reduces your probability. Please. I used to do it. What the fuck. Okay, enter, right? In this case I can enter. I'll tell you the reason. Okay, you can see on the stream, right? It's still running. So I'll tell you the reason. Oh my god, like I fucking forgot this thing. It's got feature, okay? So I'll tell you why. I went through, okay? This indicator is fucked up. Now trendline breaks as confirmation, bro. I don't use it for trendline. I use it. Okay, so then fine. See, I'll tell you why this indicator didn't work in this case. Because there is no topic. Okay, there is no topic. Okay, so if there is no topic, it's not gonna, what do you say? Not confirm, but what should I say? It's not gonna give the change of the color candle. Okay. I fucked up, man. That's fine. I forgot about this thing. It's fine. Just enter here, whatever it is. Just enter over here. It's fine. But I still entered at the low prices. But I'll be still marking that we enter. yeah, I forgot. See, it is just for my friend. To be honest, yeah, indicator is just for my friend. So you can see there is a rejection candle, right? You can see this is a rejection candle. You cannot say like, oh, this is not a rejection candle. So yeah, that's it. Fuck it. We just entered over there. Oh yeah. Again, you need to manage the trade. If it closes below this thing, we fucking close this trade. We don't be like open this trade. We'll be targeting around this thing. Let's see how it goes. Either it's gonna hit SL or not. SL below, please, below this thing. So it's fine. Doesn't hit. And just 2 entries. Okay, remember again. Sometimes, yeah, there was time where hit SLs. But only 2 entries in a single day, and that's it. You don't need to spam entries. Please don't spam entries. More entries doesn't makes you profitable. and that's it. Maybe it's gonna take this slow because it's an H1 liquidity sweep and then take it and go upside. Possibly, yeah, why not? But rule is rule, and this is what I created for like maybe 1 week. Okay, this took me 1 week, so I'm just testing it on stream. That's it. It's not even like it's not an edge to be tested, but it's just like less trades, and it's gonna run. Okay, it's gonna run whatever. So in this case, what we're gonna be doing is moving our SLs 1:1, move SLs to cost or the entries, and then 1:2 we fucking take the full lot size. We don't do like partials and anything else over here. So no, calculate your lot sizes if you want to do it, and like that you just take the TPs. Okay, so yeah. It's not gonna fucking do it. No worries, man. No worries. I'm gonna fucking this and delete this thing because there was no entry in this case. Now only thing is to manage the trade. What do I mean by manage is like 15-minute candles doesn't need like cannot close below this thing. I need kind of a rejection upside. Okay, so you cannot. And for you H1, right? H1 is over here, right? So yeah, that's it. Okay. I don't know. Let's see how it goes. 50 pips and will risk free. Risk free. It's what I say. Risk free is moving your SLs to cost. Okay, just remember. Risk free is not taking SLs anymore, so it's not like booking anything, nothing else. Just move your SLs to cost. That's it. I just like the word. That's it. I don't do risk free, but like most people are say like, oh, book 50 at the no. I just like the word. That's it. I don't need anything else. So yeah. One more thing, right? What I tested last week was because last week only I created this strategy. So what I tested this last week was that. What I told my friend is to take 1:1, book it everything because he's a beginner. Okay, but what I tested was most of the times, yeah, sometimes after 1:1 it comes back and then it doesn't goes, but most of the time it hits 1:2. So that's why I'm like using 1:2. Maybe I'll be holding more, but depends. Like I only got like few days of data, right? I need more data. Then only I can decide like, oh, if it's gonna go or like hit more like a longer TP or not. So that's what it is. And let's see. You can see the running, bro. Huh? Oh, I fucking closed. Oh damn. Oh. I closed the trade. I thought like, or maybe mistake. I don't know. 44 point whatever. I just entered above 44.95, right? 95 or something. Yeah. So much. Yeah. So much mistake in a single day. I'm kind of like, the heck. I don't know. I seriously don't know why I closed the trade. Like. Now I know why. I didn't close the trade. Fuck. Okay, so what happened? Okay, so I was just watching this. What I did was I put the entered over here, put the SL below this low, and it took me out. I forgot that I need to put this. Oh fuck, man. Oh, it's kind of like what do you say, hard to read chat and what do you say, give trades. What the heck? This was fucking bullshit, man. Yeah, okay, it's my fault, man. My fault. What can I say? 45 pips. Yeah, it's below this thing. 45. Oh, no, not 45. Over here, right? So it's like 512. Yeah, 512. Let's see. At 512, whatever it is. Kind of somewhere over here. Just let me mark it. It's very stupid of me to fucking told you guys to put below this SL and then oh man, oh fucking hell, man. Yeah, that was the problem. I didn't saw where I was putting the SL. Still -$4 whatever profits running. Who cares? Let's see how it goes, man. I just entered randomly over here somewhere. Okay, I just entered somewhere over here, and cause of spreads, I kind of entered over here, but cause of spreads it give me an entry over there above. It's gonna go up. Don't worries, man. No worries. No worries. It's already running. Let's see how it goes. It's not gonna give a fucking big TP to be honest, but let's see. 95. Yeah, 95 is good. Which broker you using? I'm using XM, man. XM is great. XM, but it doesn't really matter because I use MT5. I don't use any brokers nowadays, to be honest. I used to trade in the terminals, but what do you say? Ooh, the internet kind of fucks up. Okay, sometimes it fucks up, and I don't want to fuck. Okay, I don't want to fuck me up because it takes lot longer to execute in the broker's terminal, but it executes quickly on the this thing. MT5. Okay, so I'll be using MT5. I've been using MT5 since like maybe few years now. But like I'll say there is one advantage if you get like I don't know, like sometimes if there is no loading and quick execution on your server side, right? Please use that, because there is a function called there is an I button, right? You can hide your running balance and capital. Okay, you can hide it. On MT5 you cannot do it, so it's a great benefit for you guys who are new traders, and it's good. So I'll just remove this indicator. It's fine, right? Like you all understand what I'm doing over here. So 1:1 risk free or okay, I just fucking started hating this word, so I'm not gonna fucking say risk free. Cost to cost, this thing, and then 128. Not those fucking. So this thing. Oh, 515, right? 515. Oh, little bit more. One more. Yeah. This move this SL above. Cost to cost, please. No booking here, nothing. Cost to cost, move it SL over here. We'll be taking 1:2. Okay, see again, I'm doing this bullshit. I don't know I should be doing or not, but I'm moving this now. It's gonna show you guys so much error. So I'll just fucking put it back down. Okay. It's kind of I'm scamming people. Okay, it looks like I'm kind of fucking scamming, but what can I say? Just again. Okay, I'll just draw over here. Okay, just SL over here. Something over here or something. I don't know. Just put SL above. Okay, SL above. SL above. Fuck it. Yeah. It feels like okay. So, what's gonna be the problem? Okay, so again, this thing. Okay, see. It aligns, man. It fucking aligns in this case, right? It fucking aligns in this case. Below 50%. Okay, this is why I like go for the 1:2. Like below 50%, it can obviously touch it and try to go downside again. So that's why I'm not gonna fucking target like 100 pips or maybe the new high. No, cannot, because it didn't took out the lows or like some other lows. It didn't took out in this case, right? So yeah. So you're understanding my point, right? Like you need to just what do you say, backtest. Fuck it. Let's be real. Just backtest. Keep on backtesting, please. If you've been trading, you will be backtesting. You will be trading, or you'll be making journal, not a boring fucking data entry journal that's entered here, exited there. No, not that proper journal. Just backtest, man. Please be backtesting. 1 hour daily. That's it. Like if you are like creating your new strategy. If you're not creating a new strategy, still journal your trades. No need to backtest. Just journal your trades, and that's it. Backtest give you confidence. Journal gives you kind of saves you from risk management. Okay, risk management. It gives you like confidence in your risk management. Okay, with backtest you have like data to trade. So with backtest confidence, with journal you got risk management. Okay, so I got $20. I'm confused. Should I buy pro firms or do live account? Please do live accounts. Live account, go in live account section and do sent account. Okay, sent account. So $20, it's gonna be like around 2,000, and use that. I'll tell you why. Because it's gonna, you won't have the pressure to pass the account. You don't need to. It's already your account. Now you need to trade it as a huge capital. Okay, if you already have a capital, right, you need to now just trade it as a like your own capital. Afterwards, if you're like seeing okay, at least 6 months. Okay, trade it 6 months or 3 months is minimum. Minimum is 3 months. After you see a growing maybe like 10%, 20%, you can see like 10 to 20%, right? Risking, you can also risk 1%. So you can see, okay, 10%, 20% increase, right? Then you can just add money, right? So risk how much? $1? No. 20 cent. It's gonna be. You're putting $20, right? In cent account, in cent account, there'll be option like 2000. It's gonna give you 2000, okay, in your account. So you can risk like 1% of 2000. What is that 1% of 2000? It's like 40 rupees or something, 40, 50 rupees, something like that. Use that, because if you're a beginner, you need to do that and just properly follow the steps. Small, just build your report. Okay, this month this percent, 5%, 10%, whatever you make, 5% is enough. Don't need to pressure it we need to pass it, or oh, I need to make money. No, you cannot put pressure on your account, and that's it. So in this case, let's see, it's gonna tap 1088 or not. Let's see. I mean, like, it's gonna. I already moved my SLs above, right? So I don't care. Even if it comes back, I'm not gonna hit SL in this case. So it's fine. So it's maybe like it's not. Yeah. Remember, I don't know if you use the broker. Link will be in the description. It's called XM. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, you can use that because it gives you a. So if you're gonna deposit $20, I don't know what's the minimum deposit, to be honest, because I've not been like depositing like in that broker for a while, because it's like already been managing accounts. So I'm like, yeah, it's fine. Let's see how it goes in this trade. Okay, it's gonna take us out, man. If it's gonna fucking take us out, I'm gonna be fucking why? Please don't take us out, man. Come on, please don't, man, don't. Oh yeah. One more thing, right? I figured out how to do this thing. Bro, I have to go to pick my brother from school. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Yeah, you want to come tomorrow? Sure, you can also come like in the evening, but that's fine. Good to see you, man. Bye. See you next time. And do back test. That's what it is. Let's see if it goes or not. 100 pips, no fucking bullshit. Pam. Trade is still running, man. Like, it's gonna fucking take time. Let's see. Will it go or no? That is the problem, man. That is a fucking big problem in this case. Possibly, okay, so I'll tell you, okay, it's a trailing thing. If it will or not will, or if it has, not has, it's the wrong word. If price would like to move, it's gonna respect this low, or not even this low, like it's fucked up low, this low. It's gonna respect because this is the swing, and then it's gonna just go upside. And if it breaks, you can also trail, but it's like 1:2 is good for the day, man. 1:2 is good for the day. We don't do bullshit over here, so yeah. We book everything and a single go, nothing else. Okay, I just fucking minimize that thing. I don't know, sometimes obvious trick is like I still like opened a big lot size, to be honest. I shouldn't have opened. I didn't calculate it too quickly. Like it's 50 pips, right? So I should have opened like 0.06 or maybe 0.06. Yeah, 0.06 or 0.08. Like not more than that. But still fine. It's still fine. Let's see. Let's see. Just give me a fucking damn TP, man. Just fucking give me a tap. Either give me a TP or either just go drop below, okay? I just want these two things to happen. I don't want to be like, oh, this, that, fuck. No, fuck. No, fuck, yeah, bitches. Let's keep going. Okay, you already know, right? SL is around here. Move your SS over here. Move your SS around here. Don't take any losses, cause I know my levels. Okay, I know fucking my levels. If price moves like 1:1 or something like it still moved right. It still moved right. Fucking I don't know bullshit. 89 or something pips. I still know my levels. So either it's gonna go upside or it's gonna go downside. It doesn't really matter to be. So SL above and then fucking play with it. Time fucking 1 candle, man. Okay, so this is what it is. Fucking 100 pips, single, no fucking partial bullshit. Okay, no fucking partial bullshit on stream, live, given, taken. This is what I've teach. This is what I've taught to my friend, and not even friend. Like yeah, this is what I do, and that's it, man. Like who fucking cares? You fucking booking partials bullshit. 50. Really? 100 pips, man. Just fucking 100 pips in, and we are good to go. Let's see. See you next time. Bye bye.